Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to type multiply symbol in keyboard. I have opened the on-screen keyboard and for this you need to hold down this alt key and on the numeric side keypad, this is the numeric side, you need to press 0, 2, 1, 5 and then you need to release this alt key. So how you can do that? Let it try it. So hold down the alt key and press 0215 and release the alt key. So this is so simple and easy. Here you can see that. Another method is that you need to type the backslash and type TIMES followed by a space and word will instantly convert into the multiply symbol. If you don't have numeric keypad, then you can use the Unicode shortcut. For this you need to type 00 D7 and press Alt X Alt together. This is the Alt and this is the X. You need to press both keys all together and here it is. Moreover, in computer programming, Excel and everyday typing, the asterisk is the default symbol for multiplications. For this you need to press this shift key and press this 8 key. Moreover, if you prefer using a middle dot for algebraic equations, for this you need to hold down the Alt key, this is the Alt key, and you need to press 250 and release the Alt key. Another way is that you need to press the window key and semicolon key. Press both keys all together. Then emoji panel will be pop up. You need to click on this symbol and here is the math symbols. Scroll down until you find the multiplication symbol and here it is. So this is so simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can type multiply symbol in keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.